and it was a wonderful program. I am considered to be a success. I lost 23 pounds within the 8 weeks, and God, I'm so grateful to it. The instructor was wonderful, very knowledgeable. The program, every day we learned something new. We reported our food, which I thought was wonderful. We reported it to Meal Logger. And it just gave me a wealth of information. Once you read it and learn it, it's like you want to continue on for the rest of your life with it. I personally was struggling with obesity. I could not lose the weight. I could not get below 200 pounds since 2008. So to be able to finally lose 20 pounds is wonderful. I highly recommend it for those who are struggling with weight loss, obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high blood sugar, because as a result, my numbers have come down. Again, I am just truly grateful. I'm grateful to Tafiq, the instructor. He's very knowledgeable. And he told me to just trust the process. And as I trust the process week by week, I get lighter. I'm just amazed. I'm so amazed. So I recommend the program. It's not a diet, it's a way of life. And just grasp all that you can from it. It's a wonderful program, and it has helped me get started on my weight loss journey.